In case anyone's wondering, this is the old transfer case. Apparently it blew up. Something blew up in there. I can feel the chain. The chain's got some play, but it's still on there. It still works. You see that? But third gear. I think I'm, watch this. Doesn't change gear. Okay, we're gonna go in the shade and look. Oh, there goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. I don't feel like I'm in four-wheel drive. The front wheels are nice and loose and playful. But going from first to third gear, it doesn't change until I get up to like 4,000 RPM.
P1000, that's nothing. Knock sensor 1, circuit bank 1, P0325. P1729 4x4 low switch.